Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Indian Pharmacist. In today's video, we will learn about good manufacturing practices and its basic requirement. The first of all, sanitation and hygiene. Like in last video, I had informed you that GMP is a part of quality assurance system which needs some basic requirements. The first of all is sanitation and hygiene. If you want to check for that video, you can get the link in the description below. So what does sanitation and hygiene mean? To ensure that manufacturing environment and equipment are free from pathogens and other microorganisms that could potentially contaminate the product. Sanitation and hygiene is required to ensure that all the surfaces like equipment, floor, area and person are free from any type of pathogens, any type of contamination and any type of microorganisms, so that we can claim that this product is safe for the patient. In order to maintain good sanitation practices, sanitation programs should be written and include the sanitation objective. It means why sanitation is required. Sanitizing procedure, how surfaces shall be sanitized. Either it may be thermal sanitization, chemical sanitization, radiation sanitization, or any other mechanism. In the most common practice in pharmaceutical industry is chemical and thermal. Like for equipment surfaces, we can use some type of chemical which are safe for use and will not leave any remnant on the surface. Like for the flooring, we are using some of the branded products which are claimed to be safe and having sanitizing potential. While for equipment surface, most common substance used is isopropyl alcohol in 70% volume by volume strength. Sometimes it is also used as thermal sanitization with hot water system. Monitoring programs, how we can claim that surfaces have been sanitized and are safe for use. For that, we need some monitoring. Like for flooring or environment, we, we can perform environmental monitoring, while for equipment surfaces, we can claim through cleaning validation procedures. Schedules, when and why they shall be sanitized, it should be in a written document, like with every product changeover, every day, fortnightly, weekly, some schedule should be there. Corrective action process and documentation. If at any instance we find that surface sanitization has not been completed or there is some problem, then how it should be treated, what shall be the corrective procedure, and how it shall be documented. It should be in a written procedure. The scope and sanitization and hygiene covers personnel. The person who are working in that area, in that premises, should be covered in this procedure. Premises like walls, building, equipment, everything. Equipment and apparatus, whatever equipments are used for procedure and are sanitized, it should be covered in that procedure. Production materials and containers, like raw material dispensing containers, dispense vessels, or any holding vessel, it shall be monitored and covered during that sanitation and hygiene procedure. Products for cleaning and disinfection. What type of reagents or procedure shall be used for sanitization shall be covered in that procedure. And anything that could become a source of contamination to the product. If any potential contamination source or any potential agent is observed, it should be covered in that procedure. And sanitation and hygiene should cover all of them, like personal hygiene, premises and building management, equipment cleaning and sanitization procedure, how the production material shall be sanitized, or how it shall be, how the containers used for maintaining that production material shall be sanitized. This all should be covered. Potential sources of contamination should be eliminated through an integrated, comprehensive program of sanitation and hygiene. The areas, surfaces, and equipment in and on which products are made must be kept clean. That means the area where the product is supposed to be manufactured, the equipment which is supposed to be used for manufacturing, and the surfaces which shall come into the contact of the product should be clean and hygienic. Dirt and the microbes that it can harbor must not get into or on the product. There are some type of contaminations like chemical contaminations, microbial contamination, or physical contamination, and a product should be kept free from all of them. If there is any dirt or any type of microbial contamination, it can cause harm to the patient. Disinfectants can be inactivated by dirt. Dirt, particularly oily, greasy, and protein like metal, can protect microorganisms against the action of disinfectants. Sometimes disinfectants which are used for sanitation are inactivated by the dirt. For that reason, product surfaces and equipment surfaces should be kept free from the dirt. It is important to first clean surfaces. The surfaces which came into the contact with the product should be kept clean. Where gross amount of dirt are present, it may be necessary to first remove most of it by scrubbing. If required, scrubbing is allowed, but it should be done through some soft cloth or some nylon brushes. Hard brushes, hard bristles like steel bristles should not be used as they may leave some metal pieces into the product which can cause harm to the patient and can contaminate the product through metal pieces. Then surfaces may be cleaned by the application of a cleaning agent followed by rinsing. This rinsing will ensure that cleaning agent has been removed from the surface. So if you like the video, press the like button, share it with your friends, colleagues, students, and family members. Make comment if you have any query or if you have any suggestion. Subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. If you have any query, you can also follow me at Facebook page Rishabh Srivastav 345 or the Indian Pharmacist, Twitter at Rishabh 345, Instagram at the Indian Pharmacist. For more information, you can also check with the books. Thank you.